Here at Pinnacle Cleaning, we do carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, and area and oriental rug cleaning. All of our lead technicians are IICRC certified. What we like to do is provide a totally outstanding red carpet service experience for our customers.
It's always a scary thing when you have someone come into your home that you don't know, and we highly respect that. But you can trust them that they will be respectful of your surroundings and do an excellent job.
They're very reliable and very trustworthy. The results are beautiful. The ends up looking like new again. I would highly recommend them.
Much of our facility here in Henrietta is dedicated to the washing of fine area and oriental rugs. We wash well over 1,000 rugs a year. There are issues with oriental rugs such as dye bleed, pet odors and stains and things like that. So we've spent a lot of time and effort and funds into ensuring that we can produce a high quality, predictable outcome with every rug we run into. We have an expression in the industry that every rug tells a story. So we realize that people are extremely proud or attached to their rug. There's a high sentimental value to many of these furnishings in your home. We take the utmost care to make sure that you can hand that on to the next generation.